say I only hear what I want to. You say I talk so all the time, so and I thought what I felt was simple, and I thought that I don't belong. And now that I am leaving, now I know that I did something wrong, 'cause I missed you. Yeah, yeah, I missed you. And you say I only hear what I want to. I don't listen hard, don't pay attention to the distance that you're running to anyone, anywhere. I don't understand if you really hear. I'm only hearing negative. No, no, no. So I turn the radio on, I turn the radio off, and this woman was singing my song. Lover's in love and the others run away. Lover is crying 'cause the other won't stay. Some of us have a really weeping for the other who's been dying since the day they were born. Well, this is not that things that I'm throwing, but I'm thrown. And I thought I'd live forever, and now I'm not so sure. You try to tell me that I'm clever, that won't take me anyhow or anywhere with you. You said that I was naive, and I thought that I was strong. I thought, hey, I could leave, oh, but now I know that I was wrong, 'cause I missed you. Yeah, I missed you. You said you called me 'cause you want me, and one day you let me go. You try to give away, or keep me 'cause you know you're just so scared to lose. And you say stay. You say I only hear what I want to.